Today, we're touring this custom-built 2022 home, designed with a reverse living layout to take full advantage of the ocean and mountain views. The home sits on 2.22 acres with open sightlines toward Redfish Rocks, Humbug Mountain, and the Pacific. It offers over 2,700 square feet, a fully separated guest suite on the lower level, an oversized garage with workshop, and more than 900 square feet of outdoor deck space. You enter on the lower level, where the layout is intentionally designed for flexibility. The entry is spacious and practical, with room for coats, storage, and everyday use. Just off the entry is a dedicated office, ideal for remote work or a separate workspace away from the main living level. Also on this level is a fully self-contained guest suite with its own entrance. This setup works well for long-term guests, caregiver quarters, or rental use. The separation gives both levels privacy. It includes a kitchenette and a full bath, allowing it to function independently from the main portion of the home. The oversized double garage totals approximately 923 square feet. In addition to vehicle space, there are two well-lit workshop areas totaling about 355 square feet. Whether you need room for tools, outdoor gear, storage, or projects, this space was built with function in mind. The staircase leading upstairs is built from locally milled Oregon myrtle wood, tying the interior materials back to the surrounding landscape. Upstairs is where the reverse living design becomes clear. Vaulted ceilings, skylights, and expansive windows fill the open floor plan with natural light. A wood stove anchors the space and adds supplemental heat. The living area is oriented toward the views, with windows positioned to frame the Pacific, Redfish Rocks, and Humbug Mountain. The kitchen features stainless steel appliances, custom acacia wood countertops, and a butler's pantry for additional prep and storage. Laundry is also located on this level. Just off the main living area is over 900 square feet of outdoor deck space. There's room here for dining, seating, and gathering. You're positioned just above Port Orford, close to town, the harbor, and Battle Rock, but elevated enough to capture long-range views. The primary suite is set apart for privacy and oriented toward the views. The bathroom includes a glass-enclosed soaking tub, a custom-tiled step-in double shower, and dual sinks. There's also a flexible bonus room connected to the suite that can serve as a sitting area, yoga space, or additional office. 2 more bedrooms and a full bath complete the upper level. The layout keeps the sleeping area separate from the main gathering space while maintaining a cohesive flow. The exterior materials were selected for durability in a coastal climate: fiber cement siding and a standing seam metal roof. The 2.22-acre parcel includes mature trees, a fenced garden area, fruit trees, and usable outdoor space without feeling overly exposed. An ocean view hot tub and 2 outdoor showers add practical function for coastal living. If you're looking for newer construction, flexible living space, acreage, and elevated coastal views, this property brings those elements together all in one setting. If you'd like more information or would like to schedule a showing, use the link in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to be notified of new listings every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.